If you wanted to build an AI agent making $10,000, where would you even start? A lot of people trying to get into AI right now are either building tools nobody wants to pay for, or they're drowning in tutorials that, well, never actually get to business side of things. And that gap is exactly why so few people are making real money with this stuff, even though the opportunity is massive. Here's what I figured out. The agents that actually generate revenue aren't the most technically impressive ones. They're the ones built around a specific problem, with clear customer and a dead simple reason to pay. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build an AI agent from scratch using Claude Code. The business idea, the architecture, and the execution plan, step by step. No fluff, no theory, just the blueprint. And by the end of this, you'll know whether this is something you can actually pull off yourself. If you want to master AI tools and learn how to build profitable SaaS apps, websites, AI agents, and mobile apps with AI, I've created a complete masterclass that shows you exactly how to do it step by step. This masterclass normally costs $499 to join, but since you're watching this video, you can join completely free. Check the link in the description and get free access to the masterclass and start building your AI-powered business today. Before we build anything, the first thing we need to do is switch the model inside Base 44. This part only takes a few seconds, but it makes a huge difference in how the final platform behaves once the AI agents start interacting with the users. Inside the Base 44 builder interface, look for the model selector near the main workspace area. Base 44 allows you to swap between model directly from the builder, so you don't need to change anything outside the app itself. Just open the drop-down menu, select Claude, and make sure it's active before sending your first prompt. For this entire video, every single business platform is being built using Claude as the primary model from start to finish. The reason for that is simple. These aren't basic apps where the AI only generates text once and stops. We're building full AI agent businesses where the agent has to understand context, handle conversations naturally, follow instructions correctly, and complete tasks across multiple steps without breaking the workflow. Claude is developed by Anthropic, and it's especially strong at reasoning and instruction following. When you're building agent-powered systems, that becomes extremely important because the quality of the agent determines whether the platform actually feels useful to real clients. Once the users start interacting with booking agents, support agents, qualification systems, and automation workflows we're building later in this video, the difference becomes very obvious. Claude handles long prompts much more accurately, keeps track of conversational context better, and responds in a way that feels more natural and intelligent instead of sounding robotic or scripted. Another thing Claude does really well is handling edge cases. If a customer changes their booking time halfway through a conversation, asks multiple questions at once, or gives incomplete information, Claude tends to recover much more reliably than most default models. That matters a lot when these platforms are supposed to operate like the actual business tools that clients can depend on every day. Before moving forward, always double check that Claude is selected and it's active. It's a small step, yes, but it ensures every build in this session is using the strongest model possible before we start generating the platforms. Once that's ready, we can move into the first AI agent business and start building the complete system live inside Base 44. Now let's build the first actual AI agent business. And this one is probably the easiest to understand because there is already a massive demand for it. We're building an AI appointment booking agent platform for local service businesses like salons, clinics, gyms, consultants, spas, and basically any business that spends time managing appointments manually through phone calls, messages, or back and forth scheduling. The goal here is to create a complete booking management system where the business owner gets a dashboard to manage everything, while clients interact with an AI agent that handles the actual booking conversation automatically. Inside the owner side of the platform, we want a dashboard showing all upcoming appointments, client details, and the current booking schedule. The business owner also needs an availability management section where they can set open time slots by date and time so the agent knows exactly where the appointments can be booked. Every appointment the AI agent handles should automatically appear inside the dashboard without the owner needing, to manually update anything. The AI agent is the client-facing layer of the business. Clients land on the booking page and interact with the agent through a natural chat conversation instead of filling out a traditional booking form. The agent checks available time slots, asks for the client's name, service type, and preferred time, confirms the appointment, and can even handle rescheduling or cancellations automatically through the conversation. This is where the business value becomes very obvious because local businesses deal with appointment management every single day. A salon or a clinic that currently answers booking requests manually through Instagram DMs, calls, or text messages can replace a huge amount of repetitive work with a system like this running 24 hours a day. Monetizing something like this is, pretty straightforward because it works perfectly as a recurring monthly subscription. Businesses are already paying employees or spending hours handling bookings manually, so charging a monthly fee for an automated system that manages the entire process is a very easy sell once they actually see it working. Now, let's build the entire platform directly inside Base 44 using one single prompt. I'm going to paste this in exactly as written. Build an AI-powered appointment booking platform for local service businesses. The platform should include a business owner dashboard showing all upcoming appointments, client details, and availability settings where the owner can set open time slots by date and time. Add a client-facing booking page where clients can interact with an AI agent through a chat interface. The agent should be able to check available slots, book an appointment by collecting the client's name, service type, and preferred time, confirm the booking, and handle rescheduling or cancellation requests through natural conversation. All bookings should appear in the owner dashboard automatically. Use a clean, professional design with a light color scheme. Once the prompt is submitted, Base 44 starts building the full application in real time. You can actually watch the dashboard, booking system, and AI chat interface getting generated live inside the builder. After the build is done, we can open the preview and test the agent directly. I'll start a sample booking conversation as if I'm a client trying to schedule an appointment. The agent checks the available time slots, asks for booking details naturally, confirm the appointment, and update the dashboard automatically once the booking is completed. What makes this especially interesting as a business model is that this exact framework can be reused across dozens of industries. The same core platform can be adapted for dentists, fitness coaches, beauty salons, legal consultations, therapists, and almost any appointment-based business with only one small adjustment to the prompt and branding. But here's the thing. Base 44 is incredibly powerful, but most people don't know how to use it properly. They end up building basic apps that, don't make money, or websites that don't convert. That's exactly why I created my complete Base 44 Masterclass. Inside this course, I'll show you step-by-step how to build profitable SaaS businesses, high-converting websites, and mobile apps, all using AI with zero coding required. You'll learn how to build AI agents that solve real problems and generate recurring revenue, the exact prompts and strategies I use to create professional websites in minutes, how to clone successful apps and add your own profitable twists, my proven system for turning Base 44 projects into actual income streams. This isn't just a theory. I'll walk you through real builds, show you my exact process, and give you the templates and frameworks that have helped my students launch successful AI-powered businesses. And again, this masterclass normally costs $499 to join, but only for the people that are watching this video, you can join completely free. So if you're serious about building something profitable with AI in 2026, click the link in the description to join the Base 44 Masterclass. Your future self will thank you for taking action today instead of just watching tutorials. All right, going back, a lot of businesses don't actually have a lead generation problem. They have a lead management problem. The leads are already coming in, but somebody still has to figure out who is serious, who is just browsing, who is ready to buy, and who should be contacted first. For industries like real estate and insurance, that process can easily eat up hours every week. That's the business we're building next. This is an AI lead qualification agent platform designed for real estate agencies, insurance brokers, and any business receiving a steady flow of inbound inquiries. The purpose of the platform is simple. Every new lead gets automatically qualified before the business owner ever has to look at it. As inquiries come in, the AI agents take over the initial conversation through a public-facing intake page. Rather than asking a prospect to fill out a standard form, the agent engages them in a natural chat conversation and gathers the information the business actually cares about. It asks questions about budget, timeline, location, preferences, and specific requirements, then uses those responses to evaluate lead quality automatically. Behind the scenes, all of that information flows into an owner dashboard. Every lead appears with its qualification score, contact details, conversation summary, and status. Leads are automatically categorized from cold to warm to hot, making it easy to identify the highest priorities opportunities without manually reviewing every inquiry. The scoring system is where a lot of the value comes from. The agent scores each lead from 1 to 10 based on the responses it receives during the conversation. By the time business owners open the dashboard, the sorting and the prioritization have already been done. For agencies and brokers, this is an easy service to position because they're already investing money to generate leads. The challenge is qualifying those leads quickly and consistently. A platform that handles that process automatically can be sold as a monthly retainer, especially when it helps teams spend more time closing deals and less time filtering inquiries. Here's the full prompt. Build an AI-powered lead qualification platform for real estate agencies and insurance brokers. The platform should include an owner dashboard showing all income leads, their qualification scores, contact details, and status from new to hot to closed. Add a public-facing intake page where incoming leads interact with an AI agent through a chat interface. The agent should ask qualifying questions about the lead's budget, timeline, location preference, and specific needs. Score the lead from 1 to 10 based on their responses and categorize them as cold, warm, or hot automatically. All qualified leads should appear in the owner dashboard with their score and full conversation summary. Use a clean modern design with a dark navy color scheme. After submitting the prompt, Base 44 starts building the lead qualification platform in real time. The system includes the owner dashboard, the public-facing intake page, and the AI agent that handles the qualification conversation. To test it, I'll open the preview and go through a simple lead conversation. The AI agent asks qualifying questions about the lead's budget, timeline, location preferences, and specific needs. Based on the answers, it scores the leads from 1 to 10 and categorizes them as cold, warm, or hot. Once the conversation is complete, the lead appears in the owner dashboard with, the qualification score, full contact details, conversation summary, and status label from new to hot to closed. Everything the agent collects is automatically organized and ranked by quality, so the business can quickly see which leads should be prioritized. This is why the platform works as a monthly retainer for real estate agencies, insurance brokers, and businesses that, receive a high volume of inquiries. They are already spending money on lead generation, and this gives them a system that qualifies and organizes those leads automatically. Any e-commerce store that starts growing eventually runs into the same problem. The sales increase, more customers starts coming in, and suddenly the owner spends half the day answering support messages instead of actually growing the business. Questions about shipping, returns, refunds, order updates, and product details starts piling up nonstop. That's exactly why This next AI agent business is built to solve. We're creating an AI customer support agent platform for e-commerce stores that can automatically handle customer conversations while giving the store owner a full support management system behind the scenes. On the business owner side, the platform includes a dashboard showing all customer support conversations along with their status from open to resolved. The owner also gets a knowledge base section where they can upload facts, product information, return policies, shipping details, and any other support documentation the AI agent should reference when responding to customers. That knowledge base becomes the source of the truth for the entire system. The more information the owner adds, the more accurate and useful the agent becomes when handling support requests automatically. Customers interact with the AI agent directly through a support chat interface on the store's website. The agent answers order-related questions, processes return requests, handles complaints, responds to frequently asked questions, and resolves common support issues through natural conversation. If a customer asks something outside the knowledge base or the issue becomes too complex, the system flags the conversation inside the dashboard for a human follow-up, so nothing gets missed. That balance is important because the AI handles the repetitive support workload while still allowing store owners to step in when it's necessary. This kind of business is extremely easy to monetize because store owners already understand the cost of customer support. A growing e-commerce brand can spend hours every day replying to repetitive inquiries manually. Paying a recurring monthly subscription for a system that handles most of those conversations automatically becomes an obvious decision once they see how much time they're, saving. The reoccurring model also makes sense because the platform continues working every day alongside the store. As new products, facts, and policies gets added to the knowledge base, the AI agents improves over time without requiring constant rebuilding. Here is the exact prompt I'm feeding into Base 44. Build an AI-powered customer support platform for e-commerce stores. The platform should include a store owner dashboard showing all support conversations, their status from open to resolved, and a knowledge base section where the owner can add facts, product information, return policies, and shipping details that the agent will reference. Add a customer-facing support chat where customers interact with an AI agent. The agent should handle order inquiries, return requests, frequently asked questions, and complaints using the knowledge base as its source of truth. It should resolve issues where possible and flag unresolved cases in the dashboard for human follow-up. Use a clean minimal design with a white and green color scheme. While Base 44 puts everything together, you can already see the core pieces taking shape: the support dashboard, the knowledge base, and the customer chat interface. To see how the system behaves in practice, I'll jump into the customer side and submit a sample support request. This could be a question about an order, a return request, or a common fact. The agent pulls the information directly from the knowledge base and responds automatically based on the policies and product information available to it. Any conversation it successfully resolves stays within the support workflow, and if something requires human attention, it gets surfaced back to the dashboard for follow-up. That way, the store owner isn't reviewing every single message manually, but it still has the visibility into the conversations that matter. A lot of content creators have the same problem once they start posting consistently. Creating the original long-form content usually isn't the hardest part. The exhausting part is turning that one piece of content into posts for every other platform afterward. A single podcast, a blog post, YouTube script, or a newsletter can easily turn into hours of extra formatting and rewriting work. That's why this next AI agent business has so much potential. We're building an AI content repurposing agent platform for content creators, bloggers, podcasters, and marketing agencies that need to distribute content across multiple platforms quickly without manually rewriting everything themselves. The platform acts like a complete content transformation system where users can submit, one long-form piece of content and automatically receives multiple ready-to-use formats generated by the AI agent. On the user side, the platform includes a dashboard showing all previous repurposing jobs, the original content that was submitted, and every generated output tied to that submission. Everything stays stored inside the platform so users can revisit older jobs, copy preview outputs again, and reuse content whenever needed. The AI agent handles the transformation process automatically. Users simply paste a long-form piece of content into the submission field, submit it to the system, and then the agent repurposes into 5 different formats almost instantly. The output includes 3 separate social media posts optimized for LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, 1 short-form email newsletter, and 1 punchy summary paragraph that can be reused immediately for promotional content or maybe quick posts. This is especially valuable because every platform has different writing style and formatting expectations. LinkedIn content sounds very different from Twitter, and Instagram captions requires a completely different structure again. Manually adapting content for each platform takes a huge amount of time for creators publishing constantly. Monetizing this kind of platform is very flexible. It can be sold as a monthly subscription for creators producing content regularly, or as a per-use credit system where users pay based on how many repurposing jobs they run through the platform each month. Marketing agencies are also a perfect target for something like this because agencies constantly need to turn one client asset into multiple deliverables across different channels. A tool that removes hours of manual formatting work every week becomes, extremely valuable very quickly. Everything in this prompt is going straight into Base 44. Build an AI-powered content repurposing platform for content creators and marketing agencies. The platform should include a dashboard where users can see all their past repurposing jobs, the original content submitted, and the outputs generated. Add a content submission page where users paste a long-form piece of content into a text field and submit it to the AI agent. The agent should automatically repurpose the content into 5 formats: 3 social media posts for LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, 1 short-form email newsletter, and 1 punchy summary paragraph. Display all 5 outputs clearly labeled and ready to copy. Use a clean, modern design with a purple and white color scheme. Again, Base 44 will generate the complete content repurposing platform live, including the dashboard, content submission workflow, storage system, and AI generation interface. Here, we can paste in a sample piece of long-form content, and the platform will return 5 separate outputs generated from that single submission. There is a LinkedIn post, a Twitter post, an Instagram post, a short email newsletter, and a summary paragraph, all clearly labeled and ready to use. For creators and agencies, that's really the main appeal here. One piece of content goes in, multiple content assets come out, and the amount of manual rewriting required drops significantly. That's why a platform like this works well as either a recurring subscription or a credit-based service for people publishing content on a regular basis. One of the most frustrating parts of freelancing or running a small business is chasing late payments. Almost everyone who has worked with clients has experienced that awkward situation where an invoice is overdue, but following up constantly feels uncomfortable, repetitive, and time-consuming. Once multiple unpaid invoices start stacking up, it also becomes difficult to keep track of who owes what and which payments are already overdue. That's the problem this final AI agent business is designed to solve. We're building an AI invoice payment follow-up agent platform for freelancers and small businesses that automates invoice tracking and payment follow-ups professionally without requiring the owner to manage everything manually. On the business owner side, the platform includes a dashboard where users can add invoices along with client name, invoice amount, due date, and payment status. Every invoice gets tracked automatically inside the system, so the owner always has a clear overview of outstanding payments. The AI agent constantly monitors all invoices in the background and flags anything overdue automatically without, user needing to manually check dates every day. Once an invoice passes its due date, the system generates a personalized follow-up message based on the client details and the amount owed. The generated follow-up appears directly inside the invoice record so the user can quickly review it, copy it, or send it immediately. If an invoice becomes more than 30 days overdue, the platform flags it with a high priority alert inside the dashboard so the owner knows it needs urgent attention. There is also a simple chat interface built into the platform where the user can ask questions about their outstanding invoices conversationally. The AI agent can summarize which payments are overdue, which clients still owe money, and how much remains unpaid across the business. This kind of platform is extremely easy to monetize because late payments are a universal problem for freelancers, agencies, consultants, and small business owners. Anyone who has ever lost track of an unpaid invoice or delayed following up because it felt awkward immediately understands the value of a system that handles the process automatically and, of course, professionally. A recurring monthly subscription model works perfectly here because the platform continues monitoring invoices every single day in the background. As long as the business keeps invoicing clients, the AI agent keeps tracking payments and generating follow-ups automatically. Let's tell Base 44 to build an AI-powered invoice and payment follow-up platform for freelancers and small businesses. The platform should include a dashboard where users can add invoices with the client name, invoice amount, due date, and payment status. The AI agent should automatically monitor all invoices and generate personalized follow-up messages for any invoices that is overdue. Display the generated follow-up message in the invoice record so the user can review and send it. The agent should also flag invoices that are more than 30 days overdue with a high priority alert in the dashboard. Add a simple chat interface where users can ask the agent questions about their outstanding invoices and get a summary of what is owed and by whom. Use a professional design with a dark background and gold accent colors. Let's try to create a simple overdue invoice here and let the agent process it. The platform automatically recognizes that the invoice has passed its due date and generates a personalized follow-up message using the client information and invoice details provided. That generated message appears directly inside the invoice record, making it easy to review before sending it. If an invoice remains unpaid for more than 30 days, the system also highlights it with a high priority alert inside the dashboard. The platform also includes a chat interface as well, so users can check questions about outstanding balances and get a summary of what is owed and by whom. Between the automated monitoring, follow-up generation, and invoice tracking, the entire process is much easier to manage without manually checking every invoice one by one. For freelancers and small businesses, that's really the value here. The system handles the awkward and repetitive parts of payment follow-ups automatically, which, is why it fits naturally as a recurring monthly subscription service. After building all 5 of these platforms, you can probably see where this is all heading. The real opportunity with AI agents isn't just making chatbots or simple tools anymore. It's building systems that actually handle business operations automatically. Every platform in this video solves a real problem businesses already deal with it every day. Whether that's booking appointments, qualifying leads, answering support tickets, repurposing content, or chasing unpaid invoices, companies already spend time and money handling these workflows manually, which is why businesses like this are actually sellable. The crazy part is how fast the entire process is now. Base 44 handles the platform side, Claude handles the intelligence layer, and together you can go from an idea to working AI business in a ridiculous short amount of time. Right now, the hardest part, honestly, is just picking which niche you want to go after first. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!